Hi, my name's Kimberly from Zeeman Development. Today I'm going to show you how you can bring your campaign results from MailChimp back into Blackboard CRM using Chimpegration Cloud. So the first thing you need to do, log into your Chimpegration Cloud account, click on the plus symbol in the bottom right hand corner and choose Campaign Management. We can create a new process, edit an existing one or copy an old one. We're going to create a new one today. And we can do this as a one-off process, a scheduled process, or a real-time update. We're just going to run it this once. And we can retrieve data from either a list, a specific campaign, or an automation campaign. I'm going to choose a specific campaign for this one. And I could obviously choose more than one from the tick boxes too. I can match against email address according to my duplicate settings, so choosing a main constituent for an email address, or on constituent ID. If I match on constituent ID, I can choose the constituent ID field from that audience list in MailChimp. I'm going to match the email address against all constituents found. Now I choose what data I want to retrieve. So I'm going to get everyone I sent my email, and I'm going to get all the opens and clicks as well. But you can choose from any of these options. And then I can choose my process. Obviously, some processes are more relevant to different activities. So if I was getting my bounces, I might want to change the email address type to bounced or mark the email as inactive. If I was getting people who marked as spam, I might want to mark them as do not contact. Or if I was getting people who unsubscribed, then I might want to add an attribute. Because I'm getting everyone who opened our campaign, everyone who was sent our campaign, I'm going to add an interaction. And if I click on interaction details, I can enter them here. I can choose a type and a category and my subcategory. I can give it a status, and you can see that that's required because of the little star that's next to it there. The dates, and I can write myself a note as well. And then I can choose attributes for the first open, any link clicks, and the campaign ID as well. Obviously, I've already set these up in Blackboard CRM so that they're selectable from my drop-down menus. When I'm happy with that, I can save it. And when I click done, all that information will be retrieved from MailChimp and sent over to Blackboard CRM. And as soon as that's processed, we'll see a new tile appear on our dashboard. It will show us we've got 15 records that have been processed successfully. And if there were any errors, then the number would be shown here next to the red warning triangle. If we click on the details, we can see all the different records that have been processed, the action that's happened. So it's been updated, the attributes have been added, and so on. We see all of these here. Let's take a look at this one. So if we find the interaction and open it up, we can see all the details added exactly as I put them there. And under the attributes, we've got the link that was clicked on and the date it was clicked on, the date of the first open, and the MailChimp campaign ID as well. So we can really easily see where this data came from and when it was added. So that's how easy it is to bring your data into Blackboard CRM from MailChimp. Thanks for listening.